Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're going to be making this chicken crust pizza and it is so delicious. So let's get started. We're going to start with 1 pound of ground chicken. You can use any kind of ground chicken you want. You could use 99% fat-free and you can do 85-15 if you want. It's totally up to you. I don't even know what this one is. But just know that the more fat's in it, the tastier it's gonna be. It's gonna have more flavor. So we've got 1 pound of ground chicken. We're gonna add a half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. And that's it for the crust. So now we're going to use our hands and get in here and mix it all up. So now we've got a lined sheet tray I've just lined it with parchment paper, and we're gonna dump this out onto the sheet tray. And we're going to press it into a piece of, thin enough, and whatever pizza shape you want. You could do oval, you could do round, it doesn't matter. Let's do round. So for round, it's easier to just push out from the center and then just keep going in a circle with your hand around the crust. And your parchment paper might slide a little bit. That's okay. Just move it back into place. Doesn't have to be perfect. And just depending on how you like your pizza, if you like thin, you can make this as thin as possible, but you don't want it to have any holes in it, because if you do that, then it's going to break apart when it's baking, because this will shrink. And if it gets too thin in any spots and then it shrinks, there's going to be a hole. So you want to avoid that. So as you can see, this makes a pretty good size pizza. Okay, this is looking good. So we're gonna bake this first before we put any toppings on it. It's gonna bake in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. I'm gonna wash my hands and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay, we've got our crust out of the oven and it looks amazing. So we are going to top it. You can do whatever toppings you want. The recipe is not specific in the toppings, but I just like to do some pizza sauce or even just marinara sauce if you don't have any pizza sauce. What is the difference between marinara and pizza sauce? If you know, let me know. Let me know in the comments, because I just don't know. So I'm gonna spread some pizza sauce on here. And then some more cheese, because you gotta have cheese on your pizza, or I do. Yum, yum, yum. You just put it all on there. And finally, I like to put some basil leaves. It's pretty and it's tasty. So pretty. Okay, we're gonna put this back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Okie dokie. Okay, we have our pizza ready to go out of the oven and it looks so good. I am really happy. I haven't made this in a while and I forget how good it is and how pretty it is. So let's cut a slice. This is 2 servings. I don't know what, I did not cut that good. That was not a good cut. So we'll just pretend that it was. So let's see which piece looks the best. This one right here. So this one, look at that. You can pick it up, no problem. You could also eat it with a fork, no problem. It's still really hot, so I don't want to take a bite, but I know it's delicious. Because I mean, just look at that beautiful pizza. So guys, make sure you check out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.